Do you ever feel like you're catching more of what attorneys miss? Now, artificial intelligence can help you do it faster, and with more confidence. As a paralegal, your eye for detail is everything. But even you have limits. That's where artificial intelligence comes in. Today's tools can scan contracts, catch missing clauses, or alert you to odd changes in seconds. Imagine reviewing 50 pages in under a minute, and catching what even the partner didn't see. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing your brain, it's giving it a turbo boost. Use it to double-check documents, review deadlines, and protect your team from costly mistakes. The best paralegals aren't just typing, they're thinking. And now, they're thinking with artificial intelligence. Do you want more tips on working smarter, not harder, with artificial intelligence in the legal field? Connect on LinkedIn with Sean Denise Andrews, author of The Perfect Paralegal, by clicking the link below.